Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Dialpad on Android. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The Dialpad sound typically refers to the tones produced when you press key on the phone's Dialpad. This sound, known as dial tone multi-frequency (DTMF) tones, help in signaling the phone system that you've input a number. Look at this, you can hear the sound. And what if you want to disable or turn off this sound? Maybe you feel uncomfortable about this sound and you want to turn this off. It's so simple. So first of all, we can go to our settings on your phone. You can scroll down. You can go to sound and vibration settings. You can scroll down. There is an option additional settings. You can just tap on that. In size system sound section, there is an option Dialpad tones. The toggle is active. To disable this feature, you can just turn off the toggle like this by tap on the toggle until this turn off. Now I will check if there's still sound on there. You can see there's no more sound on this Dialpad. So that is how to turn off Dialpad sound on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.